In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable AI Builder. When you first open Lovable AI Builder, the main area to focus on is the large prompt box in the center of the page. This is where you tell the tool what you want it to create for you. Think of this prompt box as the place where you give clear instructions, almost like explaining your idea to a developer. The better you describe your app or website, the more useful and accurate the result will be. Start by clicking into that large prompt box and describing the app or website you want to build. Try to be specific about the main features, the style, and the purpose of the project. For example, instead of writing something vague like, "make a finance app," it helps to include the core functions you want. A stronger prompt would be something like creating a personal finance tracker with user login, expense categories, charts, and a dark mode. That kind of description gives Lovable AI Builder enough direction to generate something much closer to your vision. As you write your prompt, focus on clarity. Mention the type of product you want, who it is for if that matters, and the most important features. If the design matters to you, include that as well. The goal here is to communicate your idea in a simple, direct way so that AI can understand what to build. You do not need to overcomplicate it, but you do want to be intentional with the details you provide. Once your prompt is written and you are happy with the description, the next step is to submit it. You can do that by pressing Enter on your keyboard or by clicking the Send button. Either option will send your request to Lovable AI Builder and start the generation process. At that point, the platform will use your description to begin creating the app or website based on the instructions you provided. So if you want better results, always remember that the quality of the output starts with the quality of your prompt. A short prompt can work, but a clear and detailed one usually works better. That's really the core workflow. Describe what you want in the large prompt box, then press Enter or click Send to begin. If you keep your instructions clear, specific, and focused on the features that matter most, you'll make the most of Lovable AI Builder and get to your first result much faster.